Welcome to How to Video for Smartphones 365. It consists of three basic elements: folders, templates, and records. For example, assessment is a folder. In that you have year 1 mark sheet and year 2 mark sheet as a template, and year 1 mark sheet has 50 records of students. There is no limitation on number of records each template can have, and also there is no limitation on number of template each folder can have. As we saw in the diagram, app consists of three basic elements. So this are all the folders. Within folders you have templates, and within templates you have records. Folders lets you organize templates in various categories, for example surveys, personal use, work order, or e-portfolio and others. To add new folder, click on add folder, and you could see the folder 6 has been added. To rename the folder, select specific folder. So in this case we'll rename folder 6. So select the folder and click, we'll rename it to assessments. To search specific folder, just type in the word. For example, we'll type in survey, and you can see the results below. To delete specific folder, just drag and drop the folder into bin, and you will see the confirmation message which tells you how many templates and records are there in this folder. Click yes to confirm. Templates allow you to create structure of the form using different question type like single select, multiple select, or even media rich question like images. Select the folder in which you want to add template. So we'll add template to assessment folder, and you could see template 3 has been added. To search specific template, just type in the search box here. To delete specific template, just drag and drop the template into bin as you did with the folder as well. To rename, select the template you want to rename, and we will rename this template to exam assessment mark sheet. The number here indicates that how many records are there in a particular template. To edit template, select the template you want to edit. So we'll select exam assessment mark sheet and edit template. You have a different question types to choose from, ranging from simple single select drop down to more media rich question like images in the form. Just drag and drop the fields you want in your form. So we'll drag and drop image, for example, here. To edit the properties, select the question and edit header, which is a question title. We will change it to location, and you can see live updates of how the form will actually look in real time. Edit details, which are option, and we will change it to site A, B, C, for example. Tick if you want to make it as a required field. You can even move questions up and down, but just by dragging and dropping. To delete specific question, just drag and drop into bin. Once you are happy with your form, click on save. As app work in Snap View as well, you can see your form in a Word document in one window and the app in another window. So you can copy paste a text from your Word document into app, and you can see the updates happening live in your form and how the user is going to see the form. There are 5 sample templates provided in a sample folder to get you started. This template can be used as it is, or it can be edited based on your requirements. Lecture notes template can be used, for example, when taking notes in the lecture so you won't miss anything. Home inventory template, for example, can help you to keep track of all the inventories in your home. Customer satisfaction survey, for example, can be used to get feedback from your customer regarding your product and services. Each template can have multiple records. For example, exam mark sheet template can have records for 50 students. In this case, there are 4 records. So you click on that template, and you could see there are 4 records in that template. To add a record, click on add record, and you could see record file listed there. To search a record, just type in any number. For example, if you want to search candidate 1, just type in number 1 and hit search, and candidate 1 appears below. To delete specific record, just drag and drop record into bin and just say yes to confirm. To rename particular record, select a record and we'll rename it to candidate 5. To fill record, just type in on the candidate 5 for example, and we'll put the details here. So candidate number 1, 2, 3, date will be 1st of January 2014, time would be 1 p.m. and since this has been a very excellent candidate, we will rate him content of communication and overall score as excellent and notes as an excellent candidate. Click on save. As the examiner name is a required field, it's mandatory to enter data in this field. So click OK and we enter examiner name as Dr. Brown for example and click on save. To view particular record, just select a record and click on view records and you could see record for candidate 4 and you can go back and forth by clicking on next and back icon or by swiping on your tablets. You can even edit any record from here. Click on edit icon and you can edit. So we'll edit candidate number 7895 and click on save. All records in the specific template can be exported as a CSV, Excel or a HTML format, or the completed individual record can be sent to OneNote and print. To send to OneNote, select print or OneNote icon. Now you will see this icon. Please note, send to OneNote feature only works if you have OneNote installed on your computer. So now we'll select send to OneNote and we say print. Now it says where you want to save this form. So in this case we will select year 1 mark sheet and click OK. Now you could see your form appearing in your OneNote notebook. As the form is now available in OneNote, it can be viewed on multiple devices such as Android devices, iPad or iPhones. If you would like to export all records in a particular template, you can export them as a CSV, Excel or a HTML file. To do that, select the template which you want to export. Click on export record and you can select CSV or HTML. We will select HTML in this case and you click on export. It asks you where you want to save. We will save it on a desktop. Click on save and you get a confirmation message saying that it's successfully exported. Click on OK and you could see the score of individual students. To check daily summary report, click on this icon daily summary and you could see how many new records were added on a particular day in blue and how many records which were previously created were updated on a particular day in red. Click on question mark icon to get more support information. SmartForms 365 app is available on Windows Store and is free to download. You can find more information about this app on this website. We would love to hear your feedback, so please let us know your feedback on smartforms365@hotmail.com. Thanks for watching.